I am Vijay Kumar Jha. I am going to teach you in today's class what is pronoun. About noun, I have explained you earlier. This time, I hope that as you are a student of class 5 and you must be well with your family members, I hope I bless you, and I want to draw your attention today in this class about pronoun and its kind. Just care what is pronoun first. What is pronoun? You know that noun is pronoun. Noun is the main word and pro is here prefix. Just care about only these two words, then I hope that you will understand about pronoun by taking care only these two words. Pro, just care instead. Pro means instead. I mean, wherever you have to use your noun, instead if you use other word, that is pronoun. Just care here, you write about Ram. Ram is a good boy. Dear students, in this sentence, Ram is a noun, has become subject of the sentence. Now, about Ram, if you want to say something more, what will be? You would have to write several times Ram, Ram. That will make your sentence clumsy. Reader will feel bored to read it, and you may write about this word because this is single word, but if you want to say about several persons together, then all the names is not possible to write as subject. Instead, a word has been made and that has been called pronoun. So, instead of noun, whatever you use other word, that is known as pronoun. Just if you want to write it, he is tall. Now, he refers here to noun, means by writing this word there is no need to write this subject again here. Instead of noun Ram, you have used here he. Like that, my mother cooks food for us. Now, in this sentence, my mother is subject and us is pronoun. My mother is noun. Instead, if you want to say about something more about her, you may write here, she cooks delicious food. Now take care, dear students, you have used here she. She has been used for my mother. Now, if you write several times, my mother teaches us, my mother wash our clothes, my mother helps us in study, my mother helps poor, several times my mother will make your sentence clumsy. So, instead of my mother, you have to use she, and this she is pronoun because instead of noun it has been used. Now care here, us is also pronoun, and us means many persons, all the persons of the family. If you write here for my brother, sister, father, family members, then that will be clumsy sentence and that will not be possible to write in this way. For that, pronoun is necessary to write, and pronoun is such a word that tells about the noun used earlier. You cannot start a sentence with a pronoun. First of all, you have to use noun, and to avoid its repetition, you have to use pronoun. So, you may say here that a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun to avoid its repetition in a sentence. Could you understand what is pronoun? Now, wherever you would have need to use subject, first use your noun, and whatever the noun you have used, after that, if about that noun you want to say something more, use your pronoun, and whatever the word you will use instead of a noun, that will be known as pronoun. Now, he, she, it, I, we, they, you, are such pronouns that are used as the subject of the sentence. Could you understand? I hope that you must have seen here in this class 5, lesson 2, that pronoun is a word that to be used in a sentence to avoid a repetition of the noun instead of a noun. All these pronouns are used as subject. Now, you may create sentences by the help of the written pronouns by making them as subject of the sentence. And now, in next class, I will explain its kind. There are different kinds of pronoun. All these are known as personal pronoun. What it is known as? Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means the pronoun that is used for a person, that refers a person. And next class I will explain its kind, as your time is going to be over. So this time take a lesson in your mind that pronoun is a word that to be used instead of a noun to avoid the repetition of the noun in a sentence, and its kind will be explained tomorrow. Thank you.